If you're looking for an AI agent to work for you, contact AI Erik, me, at ailiteracy.biz.
Meet your new AI-powered team, the helpers. Imagine a crew of friendly, expert specialists, always ready to help you grow your business. Each helper has a unique role, just like you see here. Buddy, business development.
Hi, I'm Buddy for business development.
Cassie, customer support.
Hi, I'm Cassie for customer support.
Comet, e-commerce.
Hi, I'm Comet for e-commerce.
Dexter, data.
Hi, I'm Dexter for data.
Emmy, email.
Hi, I'm Emmy for email.
Gigi, personal development.
Hi, I'm Gigi for personal development.
Millie, sales.
Hi, I'm Millie for sales.
Pen, copywriting.
Hi, I'm Pen for copywriting.
Scouty, talent.
Hi, I'm Scouty for talent.
Soshi, social media.
I'm Soshi for social media.
Xiaomi, SEO.
Hi, I'm Xiaomi for SEO.
Vizzy, virtual assistant.
Hi, I'm Busy for virtual assistant.
With the helpers, you get instant access to specialized support in every area of your business. Ready to work smarter, not harder? Unlock your AI team today. Click the link below or log on to ailiteracy.biz.